3 minus 1 plus 5 plus 32.
39.
Okay. 3 plus 66 minus 7 plus 50.
112.
Okay. 2 37 minus 8 plus 10.
41.
Okay. 4 minus 3 plus 7 plus 61.
69.
Okay.
9.
52 minus 14 plus 80 minus 18 plus 79.
179.
Okay. 41 plus 20 plus 91 minus 36 plus 82. Answer is
190. 193.
no. And then 3 plus 66 minus 7 plus 50.
112.
Okay. And then 93 minus 36 plus 65 minus 41 plus 87.
168.
Okay. And then 55 plus 4 minus 6 plus 40.
93.
Okay, very good. 65 plus 39 plus 83 minus 48 plus 29.
160.
Okay. 2 plus 87 minus 36 plus 3. Answer is
15.
no.
54.
No. So Ashwin is the winner.